Hi Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. And nakakakuha din kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell, Sagittarius, for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of September. Ano yung mga mensahe, energies, at gabay for you for the month of September, Sagittarius? Okay. Sagittarius, mga gabay, energies and messages for you for the month of September. Release. Okay. Merong ending and beginning in your situation. Yeah. Okay. For some of you, you will be parang ile-let go mo yung mga tao or situation na toxic or unhealthy. Okay? It's time also for you to move on, no? In your situation. You are parang i-release mo yung mga negative attachments, no? So that you will allow yourself, no? Hayaan mo yung sarili mo na mag-grow, magbago, mag-evolve, no? Mag-evolve kumbaga. Okay? Change. Change is needed, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you have to let go of the past events, no? Lalo na yung mga hindi maganda na nangyari. Okay? Detach yourself so that you will be able to grow and expand, no? And evolve. Yeah. You will be transforming, no? Bagong version ng inyong sarili. Yes. Okay. Sagittarius, let's see. Ano yung mga messages, mga gabay, energies for Sagittarius for the month of September. Energies. Okay. The Hangman. Let go of control. Yung iba sa inyo merong suspension, no? Or pansamantalang pagtigil sa isang sitwasyon. Maybe sa work mo to. You are waiting and letting things to unfold naturally or darating kung ano man yung magandang resulta. Okay? Sa inyong ginagawa, sa trabaho man to, or even in your personal life. Okay? You are letting go of control issues, no? Kailangan mong maging patient, no? Pasensyoso or pasensyosa sa inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, parang kinakailangan mo magsakripisyo sa ngayon so that you will be able to gain something better in the future, no? In the long run or in the long term. Okay? Sakripisyo for now. Messages and energies for Sagittarius. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Merong someone na magbibigay sa inyo ng magandang balita, okay? Good news about business, about pera, okay? Or blessings, no? Yeah. Merong maghahatid ng maganda or good vibes when it comes to stability and security, financially, okay? Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, parang nahihirapan kayo sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Okay, pero manageable. You have the strength na ma-carry or ma-overcome mo, no? Malagpasan yung mga difficulties or mga personal crises or sufferings mo. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, madami kayong ginagawa. Okay? But you are almost at the finish line. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you need help. Page of Wands, yeah, you are looking forward para sa future, no? Mga exciting endeavor, you are planning. Okay, planning ahead. Yeah, you are excited. Yung iba sa inyo, naglo-look forward kayo sa bagong direksyon ng buhay ninyo. Okay? Planning. Maybe yung iba, planning to travel. Tingnan natin. The Hangman. Ano tong The Hangman? Okay. Bakit may Hangman for Sagittarius? Okay, yung iba sa inyo, pinitingnan nyo ang isang sitwasyon or bagay in a different perspektibo or perspective. Okay? Na maaring makaresolba sa mga issues or problema ninyo. Okay? You are sacrificing now to improve things for later on. That is for some of you. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, because meron kayong mga choices or decision or mga gagawin. Okay? But you are letting things to happen naturally or to unfold naturally. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are waiting for some results, no? Na magkaroon ng kaayusan ng inyong sitwasyon pagdating sa trabaho, okay? Yeah, or kaperahan or mga opportunities, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are waiting for things to get better, okay? Or pag-aantay din ng mga oportunidad about money, okay? Yeah, Eight of Cups. Yeah. You know also, for some of you, you know you deserve better. So, you are letting go sa isang sitwasyon na you know na hindi naman beneficial or makakabuti sa inyo. You are going towards something na meaningful or emotionally fulfilling na para sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Yes, for some of you, you are moving on. Yung mga bagay na sa tingin mo ay parang hindi na uubra or hindi naman hindi naman nonsense, but you know, you are letting go of it. Okay? You are moving forward. Okay? Merong moving on. Yung mga isang sitwasyon na wala pang resulta or hindi maganda yung effect sa inyo. So, you are leaving it behind. Okay? Parang hayaan nyo lang. So, Knight of Pentacles. Let's see. Ano to? For Sagittarius. Yeah, Two of Swords. Okay. Okay, magkakaroon ka din ng kasagutan sa inyong or solusyon, no? Sa inyong mga problema, most especially sa kaperahan. Yeah. Okay. Okay. For some of you, you are also making a decision na. You are moving forward, okay? You are taking action. You will be making a decision. Merong the Hermit. Yeah. You will be enlightened. Yung sitwasyon mo will be enlightened. Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan. Yes. Okay. Okay. May kinalaman sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong pangkabuhayan. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng solusyon. Okay? After some time of reflection, introspection, pag-iisip, kung ano yung mga dapat at mga kailangan gawin. Okay? Ace of Swords. Yes, tagumpay. Magkakaroon ng relief, no? Sa inyong mga sufferings or mga paghihirap, okay? Or sa inyong mga tinatrabaho. Magkakaroon ka ng solusyon, breakthrough, or victory. Okay? Yeah. Or makakatanggap ka ng mga information na magbibigay sa inyo ng kasagutan. Okay? Magandang sagot sa inyong problema. Yes, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. So things will suddenly move forward. Magkakaroon ng paggalaw or movement sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong sitwasyon sa buhay. Positive change. Okay? Yeah, fortune is on your side. Page of Wands. Let's see. Ano tong Page of Wands? Yeah, the High Priestess. You know that this will happen. Alam mo na mangyayari ito. No? Na merong pagbabago or magandang mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, sa trabaho nyo, or sa sitwasyon. No? Kung meron kayong mga personal sacrifices or personal crisis, I mean, or mga pagsubok, mga sufferings, no? Or na para bang wala ng kasagutan ang inyong problema, okay? Magkakaroon siya ng movement, ng positive turn of events, pagbabago, positibong pagbabago. Okay? Magkakaroon ng aksyon. Okay? Na mararamdaman mo. The High Priestess, ano to? And the Hierophant. Okay? There will be expansion. Okay? Yeah. High expansion and abundance in your situation. Yeah. For some of you, you will be joining some groups, no? Pag-uusap about the future, ano yung tamang gawin. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Para na magkaroon ng progress. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. May mga exciting endeavors na mangyayari. Okay? You will be joining or consulting some people. Okay? Na mas nakakaalam, na makapagbigay sa inyo ng advice on what to do in the future. Okay? Or in what to do sa endeavor or projects mo na to. Okay? Something to do with your trabaho or mga creative ventures mo to. Okay? Projects. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you have to take or consider carefully before you act, no? Consult from someone na mas nakakaalam kung ano yung tama, okay? Or kung ano yung magandang gawin. Yeah. So, listen also to your intuition, no? Yeah, yung mga hunches or yung mga pakiramdam nyo, okay, listen to it. Minsan nagbibigay yan sa atin ng mga senyales or signal, no? In order, signal to move or not to move forward. Okay? To act or not to act. Something like that. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional na mensahe for Sagittarius. Yeah, merong kaluwagan pagdating sa inyong pamumuhay or kaperahan or sa inyong swerte. Okay? Yeah, may swerte na darating. Or some of you. Merong broken ring, parting of the ways in either romance or business. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong pagtigil, no? Temporarily of doing something. Okay? And you will pursue or may mga gagawin kang bagay na or mayroon kang i-prioritize na gagawin. That is for some of you. Sa trabaho mo to. Or sa career. Or kung mga projects man yan. Coins. Money will be coming to you. Wow, nice. Merong bull. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Okay. Magpakita ka ng katatagan, no? Towards your enemies or opposition, yung mga kumukontra sa inyo, hindi sumasang-ayon. Don't back down. Kung alam mong you are doing, if you know you're doing the right thing, no? Teardrops, great personal sorrow. Yeah, for some of you. Okay? So, just take what resonates for you and leave the rest pag hindi para sa inyo. Spirit message for Sagittarius. Do not allow negative emotions to fester. If you are feeling frustrated, angry, or hurt, for example, just acknowledge that. Instead of fighting your feelings, go with them and work with them. Then, true healing can really begin. Okay. Huwag ka padala-dala sa emosyon, sa anger, sa frustration mo. Okay. Organize for success. Do not let the word organize intimidate you, as it is simply a way for you to ensure clarity of purpose. Organizing your thoughts, your reports, your living and workspace, and your finances will help you know and plan your next action steps. Okay. Alright. So, these are the messages for you, Sagittarius. All the best. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!